I have this little fridge board. Unfortunately, there's no magnets behind it, and it needs to be hung on the fridge. So my solution is, I have these little magnets which I'm hoping to glue onto the back. Let's see how it goes. I have this little Gorilla epoxy glue. Let's mix it up and see how we go. I'll just mix the two halves of the glue. Should activate, and let's apply it. So it's going to go flat side down. Let's apply some glue. Apply a little pressure. And there's all four on. Sticks to the fridge. Job done.